Right, so now we're looking at an elapsed time problem. Okay, this is where we use those mountains, hills, and rocks to help us solve. So I'm going to go ahead and read this problem first. So it says, Tom needs to be at soccer practice at 4:45. His practice will end at 5:50. How long will his practice take? So I have to think, all right, first I'm going to make my open number line. Okay, that's always a good starting point. And I have to think, okay, what time does it start? Because he has to be there at 4:45. So I'm going to write that time. So I know when it started, 4:45. All right, now it says that his practice will end at 5:50. So that's the time that it's over. So I'm going to put that at the end here. So 5:50. And I have to figure out how much time is in between 4:45 and 5:50. So again, remember, mountains means 1 hour, hills means 10 minutes, and then rocks are 1 minute. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do minutes first. Now, do I have to do minutes? No, right? You can start with hours or rocks or hills, whatever works best for you. So I want to get out of the 45, and since this is ends in 50, I want to make mine end in 50. I think that makes sense to me. So I'm going to go 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So now I'm at 4:50, and I have 5 minutes here. So I'm going to make sure I label that. That's one of the things that we talked about was a good thing to have when we worked on elapsed time a while ago. And now since I'm at 4:50, I remember that if the minutes are the same, 50 and 50, I can count by hours. So I'm going to count by hours now. So if I go 4:50, one more hour than 4:50 is 5:50. And that's this time right here. So it's 1 hour. I'm going to write that here. So the total time, if I ended up getting to 5:50, my total time is 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's how long his practice takes. Now, on the next problems, you might have to use more to solve. And maybe you don't realize that you're supposed to do an hour. Maybe you want to do a bunch of hills. That's fine. Do what works best for you, but do try to use the strategy because it is really helpful in making sure that you break up the times and that you can see it visually. Okay? Good luck.